Good morning, friends. Welcome to the next topic, reserve and accumulated profit treatment at the time of reconstitution of a partnership firm. As usual, reserves and accumulated profit is a part of the profit of the firm, so we are distributing among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So, if it is a reserve and accumulated profit, journal entry is reserve, general reserve or reserve account debit or profit and loss account debit to partners capital account, all partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. If it is an accumulated loss, all partners capital account debit to profit and loss account. So, but employees provident fund and ESI payable are the liabilities of the firm. It's not a reserve, so they don't distribute among the partners. Another type of reserve is workman compensation reserve. It is a reserve created out of the firm's profit to meet possible liability to pay the compensation to the employees. Employees may have to get the compensation sometimes due to some accident or any other some cases. We have to make some compensation to our employees. We are maintaining some reserve for that purpose. That is called the workman compensation reserve. What's the treatment of workman compensation reserve? Up to coming some claim, up to that time this reserve is a free reserve. So two condition may happen, some claim can exist and no claim at all. If it is a no claim at all, distribute among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So if it is a claim exists, first we should meet the claim. For that purpose, we have to prepare or we have to write at another account, provision for workman compensation claim account. What? Provision for workman compensation claim account. A new account we have to start. Open the new account and transfer the claim amount to that account. Balance amount distribute among the partners. Okay, next second case, what to do? Claim is equal. That means the claim is equal to the workman compensation means for claim purpose we are opening one new account name is provision for workman compensation claim account. Transfer the full amount to that account, nothing left, so we are not distributing among the partners. Next we'll come to the third case. Our reserve is one amount and claim is more than that of that. What to do? We can transfer full amount to the claim account. Then also some deficiency is there where we have to adjust. We have to adjust that shortcomings to the revaluation account. That's the revaluation profit. We are preparing a temporary account to adjust all those things. We are transferring that amount to the revaluation account. From there, we are adjusting that amount to the partner's capital. Okay, let's check with one example. That is a workman compensation reserve. I am saying here workman compensation reserve we have created 100 rupees. Okay, and no claim at all. What to do? We should distribute that amount among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Check here what's the journal entry. Workman compensation reserve account debit. I am writing here 100 rupees. Okay, so that 100 rupees you should transfer to the capital account of the partners individually I wrote here. That means A's capital account, B's capital account and C's capital account. Okay, and as per their profit sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio. Then write the narration. Distribute workman compensation reserve distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. There is no claim at all. Next one it is again workman compensation reserve is 100 rupees and claim is 50 rupees. What to do? Check here what to do. Workman compensation reserve I am writing here 100 rupees and claim how much? That claim I am transferring to which account? Provision for workman compensation claim account. I am transferring that claim to provision for workman compensation claim account. Still clear? And balance amount. How much is the balance? Balance amount is 50 rupees. That 50 rupees should share among the partners individually. Don't write the one capital account of the partner and give the full amount to him. No, not like that. Distribute among the partners individually. That is as per their profit sharing ratio. All the profit sharing ratio. So they go to the third case. Again our reserve is 100 rupees and claim also 100 rupees. What to do? Check here. Workman compensation reserve account. I am writing here 100 rupees and provision for workman reserve, workman claim. How much rupees is there? That also 100 rupees. Nothing left to do. Distribute among the partners. Next, we go to the third condition. Third condition is a workman compensation reserve account is 100 rupees and claim is 120 rupees. Okay, that's more than that of the reserve. What to do here? Let me to write here. Workman compensation reserve account is 100 rupees. You know very well how we can write that one. Then come down. That's the right here. Compensation workman compensation claim provision for workman compensation claim 120. That's not equal to credit. So we have to find these 20 rupees extra from where we have to conduct. We have to adjust with the our evaluation account. We are preparing this account for that purpose only, for adjusting items at the time of reconstitution of the firm. So we are writing that, transferring that loss to the revaluation. Then that is revaluation now which balance? It is a debit balance. So next I am going to say nominal account. So I have to close this one. So I am transferring that amount to the partner's capital account. Let me to write first this one, and I am transferring that revaluation account balance 20 rupees. I am transferring that amount to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. No, don't give to the one person, distribute among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Narration being revaluation losses transferred to the partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. I think understood this one, and we'll go to the next for one example. A, B and C sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2 decided to take D as a partner for 1/5 share in the firm with the effect from 1st April 2019. An extract of their balance sheet 31st March 2019 is workman compensation reserve is rupees 90,000. Show the following treatment of workman compensation reserve on the admission of the under following alternative cases. If there is a no information at all, that means no claim at all. We are supposed to do that, no claim at all. And the next one, if the claim on the account of workman compensation is 45,000, that means less than that of the workman compensation reserve. Next one, if the claim on the account of workman compensation is estimated to rupees 99,000, that is more than that of the compensation reserve. Okay, then go. I already there is a feeded all those things here for easy. So workman compensation reserve, how much is here? 90,000. I am writing here 90,000 and distributed among the partners in their ratio. How much is the ratio? 4:3:2 ratio. So we want to write here that's A's capital account. How much? A's capital account is that is a 40,000. 40,000 distributed 90,000 among four other 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000. 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000 we distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Then next one is how to write the narration. Narration you should write like the workman compensation reserve distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. There is no claim at all. So next one it is there, workman compensation reserve. If the claim of the account workman compensation reserve is estimated at rupees 45,000. So workman compensation reserve, how much here? 90,000. Everywhere that is a 90,000 rupees only. Provision how much? I think that the 45,000. We read that is the 45,000. We are writing that is a 45,000. Balance how much is there? 45,000. That 45,000 rupees we distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. That is 4:3:2. That 4 means we will get 20,000. Next 15,000 Next person will get 10,000. Distribute that one in that ratio. Okay. So, what should be right? The narration, workman compensation, reserve, claim adjusted with the workman compensation reserve and leftover portion divided among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, narration you should write for the clarification. And next one, it is a third case. The third case is the claim for the workman compensation is estimated rupees 99,000. What is the workman compensation reserve? Let me to write here. How much is there? Workman compensation reserve is 90,000. So here provision for workman compensation how much? 99,000. From our question we got that is 99,000 is the provision for workman compensation. This debit is not equal to the credit. Debit side is the less amount. So we are adjusting that amount. We are adjusting this amount to the where revaluation account. So I am writing here 9,000 as the revaluation account. It's clear? Then what to do? This revaluation account is a nominal account. We have to close that nominal account. How to close this loss transfer to the partners capital account and close. First let me to write here because revaluation amount we can available in front of us. So you have to write that is a 9,000 rupees writing. Then that 9,000 rupees divided among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio 4:3:2. How much will get? That means 4,000 and 4,000. Next one it is the 3,000 and next person will get 2,000. So revaluation loss transferred to the capital account of the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. I hope all understood well. Thank you and have a nice day.